Hello and welcome to our video on 10 ideas for online earning. In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities for making money online, whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-fledged online business. In this video, we'll share 10 ideas for online earning that you can start exploring today. So, let's get started. Freelancing. Offering your services as a freelancer is a great way to make money online. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, web development, and social media management on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Online tutoring. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services on websites like Tutor.me and Chegg. Affiliate marketing. You can earn money by promoting products on your website or social media channels and earning a commission for each sale that is made through your unique referral link. Drop shipping. Start an online store without inventory by using a drop shipping model. This involves selling products from a supplier and having them handle the fulfillment process. Online surveys. Many websites pay you to complete online surveys and provide feedback on products and services. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna. Online market trading. You can earn money by trading stocks online if you have a good understanding of the stock market. You can use online trading platforms like Robinhood or eTrade to get started. Virtual event planning. With the rise of virtual events, you can offer your services as a virtual event planner to help clients organize and execute successful online events. Selling digital products. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and software through websites like Gumroad and Teachable. Content creation. You can earn money by creating content for websites, blogs, and social media channels. Some popular content creation services include writing, photography, and video production. Social media management. If you have experience with social media, you can offer your services to help businesses manage their social media presence and grow their following. So there you have it, 10 ideas for online earning that you can start exploring today. We hope this video provided you with some inspiration and ideas for how to make money online. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any other ideas for online earning, please let us know in the comments below.